Hello everyone, welcome to wetechtube. This video is about how to do SUB4SUB properly. Are you tired and tired of doing SUB4SUB? Then this video is for you. If you are not interested in SUB4SUB, please move on. Enough talking, let's get into the video. This is the recent trend back to 4 years when YouTube changed the monetization policy from 10,000 views to 1k subscribers. People are so desperate to get 1k subscriber at any cost to get into the monetization. Everyone is doing on their own way to get the magic numbers. Some pay money to the third parties to get subscribers and views. Some people do SUB4SUB. First, let's think how you subscribe a channel. You search a topic in YouTube or YouTube suggests a video in your home screen. You click to an attractive thumbnail and started watching the video. At first point, you will never have any idea to subscribe the channel, isn't it? If the video is interesting and continue to watching the video. If the video solves your problem or a question or entertain you, you will watch the next video in the channel. Then, if you think this channel will provide some useful information to you, then you will subscribe to the channel. 90% of the people won't subscribe to a channel at the first video. It's very rare. Now I explain why you see a decrease in subscribers after you do SUB4SUB. Let's get an example. You did SUB4SUB with 50 people. After some time, you will see a substantial number of subscribers decrease in your YouTube, isn't it? You spend so much time to find a person and convince him to subscribe to your channel. But in few minutes, your subscribers crowd start decreasing. Do you know the reason? You tend to think the other person unsubscribed your channel and you will unsubscribe his channel in frustration and agony, isn't it? You are wrong. YouTube deleted those subscribers. YouTube will check all the sources of subscribers, views and likes. Either it came from suggested video, YouTube search, browse features or external. YouTube algorithm is based on human behavior. It will check your previous watch history, trend of your video watching experience. So YouTube will hold and validate the unusual subscriptions, views and likes. If YouTube found those are malicious, then it will remove the subscription, views and likes. Is there any way to protect the subscribers which you gain from SUB4SUB? Yes. If you're determined and decided to gain subscribers using SUB4SUB, then try this way. Please watch it carefully. First, don't share your YouTube video link to other person in Facebook, WhatsApp or whatever channel you use for SUB4SUB. I repeat, don't share your YouTube video link. Instead of your video link, share your YouTube channel name. Even don't share your YouTube channel link, share your YouTube channel name. If there are a lot of channels in the same name, better you share your channel with channel logo. Ask the person to search your channel in YouTube. This helps your channel to come up in the search result. Create a video with 30 or 45 seconds long exclusively for SUB4SUB. Ask the person to watch that 30-second video. 30 seconds will go in flash. Then ask him to like the video. YouTube will automatically suggest to subscribe the channel. Here are the benefits of doing this method. First, your channel will come up in the YouTube search result. The person searched your channel and watched your video completely and you gain the subscriber organically. YouTube will calculate the percentage of watch time and not how many minutes they watched. So 30 seconds would be perfect. You need not to worry about whether they have watched 1 minute or 2 minutes of your videos. If you use this method, you can increase your subscribers easily and you do not worry whether YouTube will delete your subscribers. Don't get me wrong here. Let me be very clear. I am not a supporter or I am not encouraging the people to do SUB4SUB. Even if I don't say this, either people will gonna do SUB4SUB. By using this method, the chances are very less your subscribers in scam and the person will not waste their time by doing other SUB4SUB. Hope this video gives you valuable information. Please drop a like to this video and subscribe to the channel. Next video will be alternative for SUB4SUB. Stay tuned for this. Make sure you see other informative videos here. Happy holidays, be safe and be happy.